To create a first UI draft out of the defined requirements in form of an interaction flow, you first have to create a new interaction flow. For this, click the button at the bottom of the site and then insert a title. Clicking on Save and Design starts the Interaction Flow Designer. An interaction flow consists of several interaction flow steps. At the beginning, a first empty interaction flow step is already created. In the first field of every step, you can define the name. The other 4 fields are boxes for requirements of each category. Here, the color coding of the annotator was taken up again to ease the handling. The button underneath the interaction flow step creates an additional step. The Interaction Flow Designer is not a static viewer, but an interactive tool. Therefore, the order of the interaction flow steps can be changed in the most intuitive way. You simply have to drag a step and drop it on the desired position. That's all. On the right side, there are the requirement categories again. Clicking on the plus extends one section. Now all requirements of the current project of the selected category are listed. Here again, the intuitive drag-and-drop environment supports you perfectly while defining interaction flow steps. You can easily drag a requirement from the right side and drop it into the appropriate box of an interaction flow step. Clicking on the small X next to a requirement removes a requirement from the interaction flow step, while clicking on the X of the top right of an interaction flow step deletes the whole step. The ordering of the requirements on the right side along the category provides a good overview, but in some scenarios it is an advantage to work only with the requirements of a specific interview. For this case, the drop-down menu above the requirements enables the selection of a specific document of the current project. When you select a document, the view changes automatically, and all requirements of the selected document are listed. When you're done, click on Save and Back to close the Interaction Flow Designer. Back on the Overview page, you can now export the interaction flow both as XML and as PDF.